Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, I will talk about the meaning of the terms like polyunsaturated and the manufacturing of margarine. Let's see the learning outcomes of this lesson first. State the meaning of polyunsaturated when applied to food products. Describe the manufacture of margarine by the addition of hydrogen to unsaturated vegetable oils to form a solid product. Let's start the lesson with the meaning of the term polyunsaturated. Polyunsaturated means containing many carbon-carbon double bonds. We write double bond like this. This one is double bond. So there are lots of carbon-carbon double bond. In polyunsaturated fats, there are lots of carbon-carbon double bonds. I will draw the structure of molecule of fat. You see there are two carbon-carbon double bonds present in this molecule. I will circle carbon-carbon double bond. These are the double bonds. It is unsaturated, polyunsaturated. It can be converted into saturated one by the addition of hydrogen. So these double bond will get converted into carbon-carbon single bonds like this. Saturated. Margarine or ghee is saturated while oil is unsaturated. Polyunsaturated fats are good for healthy heart, but margarine or ghee which is saturated, they are not good for heart. They may cause heart attack, obesity, etc. Margarine or ghee causes diseases like obesity, heart attack, etc. Now let's summarize. Polyunsaturated organic compounds contain many carbon-carbon double bonds. Margarine or ghee is saturated while oil is unsaturated. Margarine can be manufactured by the addition of hydrogen to unsaturated vegetable oils to form a solid product. Polyunsaturated fats are good for healthy heart, while margarine or ghee are responsible for causing heart attack or stroke. Thanks for watching. Please click like, give comments, and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.